Uh, Hi everyone, here we are going to see about the last part of the continuation of Unit 3. So in this presentation we are going to see about the patent PCT filing process. So here there are so many advantages and PCT filing process everything. So let me see one by one in a single manner. So the first thing will be the traditional patent system versus PCT system. So here the block diagram has shown that the PCT for traditional patent system, it will take only 12 months. Okay. So first we have to file the local applications in 0 month. After filing the application, we have to take all the processing, that is for fees for translations, office fees, local agents, everything. All things will be traditionally done, and then it will take around 12 months to complete, and it will be filed in the applications in abroad. So this is the traditional method. Now we are going to see about the PCT systems. Okay, so in PCT systems it will take around 30 months. What are the steps means? First we have to file the local application. So after filing the application, it will take 12 months. Then we have to file the PCT application. After completing the PCT application, within the 16 months, we will receive the international search report and the written opinion. After receiving this opinion and the report, then we have to go to the international publication, that is for will happens in 18th month. Then in 22nd month, the optional file, that is a demand for international preliminary examination, will be happen. It is optional only. When we are going to conduct the international preliminary examination, means we can go through it. Otherwise, we will left out. After completing 22nd month, then 28th month, the international preliminary report on patentability will available. Otherwise, after completing the publication, it will be moved to the international phase. So for that we have to pay the fees for translation, office fees, local agents, etc. Okay. So let's see one by one. So that is in the PCT system. First we have to file the local application. For that we have to first applicant need to file the patent application in home country. So if there is no home country, means they have to check whether if their relatives or anyone else is in their home country, means they can file the application in their name. Okay, so that is the main thing for PCT system. Typically a national patent application in a home country of applicant, so that will be checked over the patent processing, that is through the patent cooperation treaty system. Next we are going for, after filing the from 0 month, then it will be extended to 12 completed up to 12 months, providing the file PCT application. So filing the PCT application, so the application should need to file the national application along with the international application in only one language, that is to pay a single set of fees. So PCT application is to be filed within 12 months and after filing the national application. So the priority rate is given by the national officer. So PCT applications can also be directly filed to receiving office, that is RO, office of the WIPO, that is the World Intellectual Property Organization. So normally the same national patent office offers one set of fees, one language and one set of formality requirements will be available for PCT states. After completing the 12 months, then we have to go for 16th month. So in up to 16th month, we have to check for the defects, and then we have to find the international search reports. Okay, so that is for first we have to check for defects. That is, the check is conducted by receiving the office, and it is divided into two parts. One is concern the requirements of according an international filing date, and the second thing will be the formal and physical requirements under Article 14. So these two things will be checked first. After that, the international search report will be filed. So the application will transmitted to International Searching Authority. So an international searching authority will search the application and check for the prior art and state of art. So they made clear whether or not documents have been presented as eligible for the grant of patent. So they will establish it on the basis of written opinion. So within the 16 months from the date of filing, the international search report will give, and the search report with a written opinion. So that is, the prior art means everything which has been made available to the public anywhere in the world. Okay, so it is by means of written document which is capable of providing the assistance in determining the claimed invention in new or not. That is to be does or does not involve in an inventive steps. Next we are going to the international publications. At the month of 18th month we will complete the international publication. So that is, after submitting the necessary documents, the user application is published. So after the completion of the 18th months, before the application is kept secret, the International Bureau of World Intellectual Property Organization will publish the PCT application. So the content of application is disclosed to general public. This is the main thing that has been disclosed by the world content of application in standardized way. Next, after completing the 18 months, we are going for 22 months. So this is the optional one. So we have to file, that is a international search. So when a request for the supplementary search is filed by the applications means before the completion of 19 months, the priority date under this applicant demand for the international preliminary examination. So this will be happens. So this will take an additional patentability analysis only. So because of the amendment of applications. After completing this, we are going for the 28th month. So this is also optional. So here we are going for the international preliminary report. So here search authority will give the report on patentability, whether it is patentable or not patentable. So this is to given within the 28 months by the competent authority. So the additional patentability analysis will be designed to the national phase decision making. After completing the 8 months, we are going for 30th month, that is the last month. Here we have to enter in the national phase. After completion of all the necessary requirements of patent, it is granted by the national office, and likewise the patent is granted in all the other contracting states. So the patent is granted to the applicant before the completion of 30 months. So after this, applicant can seek the protections. So these are the various steps which is pursued to grant the various states of PCT systems. Next we are going to see about the PCT challenges. So there are so many PCT challenges. First we have to improve the quality of PCT international phase work products. So second thing, we have to build the patent offices so that the duplication of the application in international phase and the national phase will proceeded will be reduced. So next thing will be the language issues, which is faced by most of the 33% of applications. So that is filed in Chinese, Japanese, Korean, etc. So that should be reduced in most countries. The next thing will be helping the developing countries benefits from the PCT. So that is 15 countries will be responsible for 92% of IAS published in 2011. And then making the PCT accessible to the applicants. All the types of contracting states are available. For example, SMEs. And the last thing will be helping the PCT users which would stay abreast of new developments and strategies. So these are the main challenges of PCT. And the history of patenting in India. So patenting in India, the first patenting should be related to the Act in India was passed in 1911. After that, the name of the patent was Patent and Design Act 1911. So later, after the independence, the patent bill will be unsuccessful, and it introduced the parliament in 1949 and 1965. After that, in the year of 1970, the act came into the force on 20th April 1970. So the patent system will be governed by the Patent Act of 1970 in the number of 39, and the patent rules are 2003. So the Patents Act has been amended several times in 1974, 1985, 1999, 2002 and 2005, and the rules have been amended in 2006. Next, Patent Amendment Act in 2002. There are so many acts are occurred. So first thing, the Patent Amendment Act 2002 will have the following. That is, they have to hasten the process of patent grant, and it is granted with 2 years of filing an application. Then the inventor will file the declaration of inventorship, and it is provided by the compatible of General Agreement Tariff and Trade Market. So this Amendment Act will be occurred in 2002. Next, in 2005, the Second Amendment Act is occurred. So they have some other features, that is, it should be emphasis on indigenous manufacturers. Both the pre-grant and post-grant options will be available, and in order to prevent the evergreening patents, the pharmaceutical substances provisions listing out will be patentability and have suitably amended to remove all the ambiguity to the scope of patentability. So the product of a patent has been included in all the fields of technology, that is drugs, foods and chemicals. Next thing will be the Olympus, Sony and Photo Gallery. So these are the trademarks that is governed by Trademark Act 1999. So it is signed by the distinguishing of goods of the trader from another. So the sign will include words, logos, pictures, combination of these, etc. So the trademark is used as a marketing tool, and it will recognize the product of particular trader. So it will register the trademark and it is distinctive and not deceptive. So on the contrary to the law or morality, it should be not identical, and it is similar to any earlier marks for the same or similar goods. Even prior to the GI Act, so the common law system of jurisdiction, and it has a remedy of passing of actions. So the Indian courts will be held that use of a GI as a trademark as a false trade descriptions, which is under the Trademark Act. So Delhi High Court held use of a Highland Chief for the Scotch whisky as a false trade descriptions in 1980. So even prior to the GI Act, the Bombay High Court will restrain use of expressions which is blended with the Scotch and a drum beater for the local liquor in 1992. So the Madras High Court will hold Peter Scott, which is ineligible for the registration as a trademark in 1999. Indian legislation. So sui generis, that is the Geographical Indication Act in 1999, which is main thing for the registration and protection of act. Geographical Indications Rules 2002, which is main thing for registration and protection, and it is brought into the force on 15th September 2003. So the registrations will be used for protections under the acts and the rules. Thank you.